Here's a little CSS theme component we can add to our horizon theme. Here's my horizon theme. And you can see that little asterisk. It's kind of built into the theme. Would have been nice if Articulate gave us a way to change that. But they didn't, so we can download our course and add some CSS. I'll show you how to modify that, even add your own graphic. And looking at the selectors in the code, I'm going to borrow one of these. You can see it actually has like a wrapper class called Imaginative. And that's unique to the Horizon theme. I believe the original working name for this theme was Imaginative. At some point, the product marketing changed it to Horizon, and they never updated the CSS. Now, if you look at this selector, if you do display none, it gets rid of all the spacing and margin all around that element. Sometimes we just want to hide it. So instead of display none, we can do visibility hidden. And now if you've hooked up your CSS, and I'll give you this code, you can actually download this and see how the code is working. And sometimes I'll leave parts of my code commented out. So if I want to go back to it, it's still in my CSS document. I'll recommend getting a good text editor like this one, so you can see the commented code, all the stuff that's grayed out. It's there, it's in my document, but it's not having any effect. So you can uncomment this code and use it. Once you hit save, you'll see the changes. And now this piece of code, if we wanted to change it to some Unicode symbol, I'll give you the link to this site. It shows all the Unicode stuff, all the Unicode characters, and I kind of like this one. I'm going to throw that in there. Interesting shape. It probably doesn't relate to your organization's branding whatsoever, but it's kind of fun to experiment with these Unicode symbols. There is a ton of them. Would have been nice again if Rise had some kind of icon library that we could use. But they don't. They kind of hard-coded that SVG of that flower shape, unfortunately. But we can make these changes. Or I'm just going to test something out here. I think we can use emojis. Let me find my emoji keyboard here. And this is using the pseudo element. I go over this in my micro-learning branding video. So I just inserted an emoji, a thumbs up. Yeah, wow, it works. And it may look a little different based on, the operating system of your user or some of these. That's why the safest thing is going to be to use your own image. And I'm just testing out a couple more emojis here. Yeah, it works. I kind of like that. It's better than that asterisk thing. But okay, let me get rid of those. I'll go back to that other star shape, but I'm going to comment that out again. And then the third piece of code here, this is very similar to my micro-learning branding with a logo CSS. I'm going to hit save on that. Now I can see it get my Theme 360 logo instead of the asterisk. And if I go back up to the original code where I hide that element, I'm going to go back and tell it to be display none, so that gets rid of that extra spacing where that asterisk was. So sometimes you may want to use display none or visibility hidden. In this case, if I'm adding my own logo, it looked a little better with visibility hidden. And then once you save this to your course, you can zip it back up and then upload it to your LMS, and now you've removed or changed that asterisk from the Horizon theme.